Hey guys, I hope you're doing well, right? It's a bright sunny day, and so I have thought of starting with my channel. Okay, it was like 15 days prior, but as today is my friend's birthday, so I like just thought of starting today itself. Yeah, and in my content you would get all positive motivative stuffs, yes, and many things. Yeah, my blog would be like not only of talks, but also it would be of whatever I do day to day. Yeah, I forgot my mask and my dad reminded me because he came down. Yeah, and I would have been caught. So as it is safety, yeah, we have to follow safety measures and we have to follow the guidelines. Yes. Hi guys. So I reached to a cake shop. Okay, that's called Cake Bake, and we are planning to take a cake for her, and then going to a place. So let's see the cakes. Okay, the cakes over here. Hi guys, so this is what I'm wearing for the evening, as we have told you that it's my friend's birthday and we have come to Carnations. Okay, so yeah, so I'm waiting for my friend and I'm waiting for the cake. Yeah, so it will come. I had a lot of difficulties to reach here because some problem was there. Okay, and yeah, definitely I guess the cake will arrive. Yeah, and I will go up, see the, I'll show you. This is the entrance. It's a reflection, that's why you cannot see properly. Yeah, okay, you can see this shelter over here. Up. Okay, when I go up, I will show you. All right. Okay, so I'm just waiting, and literally, guys, seriously, in these 2 days, I've learned something new. You know how to be particular with your money. Okay, like everywhere, Google Pay is not done. Plus, you have to check your vehicle before you leave. Seriously, it was a lesson for me, really. And you know what? Basically, you see the vendors like pani puris, noodles, like vendors, like road vendors. You see, you know what? They have Google Pay, as much I have observed. Okay, but a brand named like Max in the mall, they do not have a scan, the QR scan. Okay, and then you know what happened? It was a great kiosk yesterday. Oh my god, seriously. So, however, guys, this was the first day of my vlog. Okay, we'll still continue. Yeah, and yeah, mask very important, at least for now. Yeah, for our safety measures to take care of ourselves. So, guys, I've come up. Okay, and the amphibian is very, very beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm tired because I just came to the third floor. Okay, I'll just show you the ambient. You can see. This is what we have decorated for her. And this way. Fucking picture. I would recommend you please visit, okay, for your friends, with your families. So guys, we've just finished cutting up the cake, and here for the menu we have ordered soup, okay, chicken soup, and chicken lollipop. Okay, so chicken soup is here, the menu. This is the cake.
Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday was a good day, and we happened to enjoy a lot meaning a lot. Okay, I'm sorry I couldn't post after just a video of whatever is happening around, but yeah, my friend was happy. That is what that is what I wanted. Okay, and basically if you are not happy in your life, it's not that you don't give happiness, right? And if you are happy also, it is your work, it is your, I mean, your heart. It is all about your heart, how you are. Okay, in short, you have to be happy in others happiness, and you have to give happiness. You don't have to take always. Yeah. So yes, I felt good because after 8 years I am there, in Nagpur, and certainly you know I never got any chance to celebrate the birthdays with them. Yeah. So I made it a point ki, like, chalo, this time at least I am there. Okay. So I will most probably, make it a day for her. Yeah. So it just, I'm sorry for the background noise because it's a new tradition over here, but good. It's a call for people in the morning. So yeah. So now I just woke up. I'm sorry. Yesterday, I just, uh, I was late, not so late as we are usual. So like um, like by 11 o'clock I came, and then afterwards i I was so tired that I slept. Okay. So yeah, I was like, chalo, I'll do the vlogging in the morning. Okay. And yeah, it was a good place. The people who are there in Nagpur, please do visit that place. Okay. And yeah, the food, the service is all good. Okay. And the place where we went was Connections, as I told you. Yes. Yeah, that's my board. Okay, where we, I mean, teach. Yes. And I'm sorry, the ones who were seeing me like this, I did not get time to take out my makeup too. Okay. So I will do it. And yeah, hope you guys have started your day with a smile, and do start with a smile always. Okay, no matter what is happening in your life. Yeah. Sorry. So it was a great day, and I was waiting for it. I was waiting for a long time, and since, now we don't have so much of work. I mean, we are starting with our exams now. Okay, our exams are on, so there's not so much of work too, when it comes to school. you know and but my college work is going on. So guys, this is my no makeup face. Okay, so I just freshed up. Okay, and yeah, I need to tie up my hair, and my mother doesn't like. Firstly, hey, that's my mom and dad. Okay, and my brother has gifted this on their anniversary. Okay, so here we have today moat is being made, and over here we are making snacks. And Nate is making the bhaji for the breakfast, and I have my. So guys, the breakfast is ready, as you can see, and chapati which is on the pan, paratha, and there are eggs boiling, and I think auntie will fry it now for the lunch. So guys, here what's having on my plate, there's some sprouts, chapati, one paratha, and some toppings for my sprouts, which I like, and I think even you like it. Yeah. So see you later after I finish this. Bye. So guys, the tea for the day is ready. Okay, as you can see,